Wagwan YouTube, it's your girl Nisha and I'm back with another video. So today guys, I'll be doing the sister does my makeup challenge, and today I have my little sister over here. Hi. So she's gonna do my makeup guys. So if you wanna see this, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright, without further ado, I'll jump into this video.
Yeah, for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex.
So guys, she's drawing the eyebrow at the moment. So she's drawn the eyebrow. So guys, you just let you know I can't see my face. So she's drawn the eyebrow already. Alright? So she's gonna continue now. Alright. You like that Benja? Benja? What are you doing next? Now she's going to conceal the eyebrow. Let's see. Look guys, look at him. just continue. No matter how you do. Come on, girl.
Nothing, I still singing the anthem. Oh, we don't have no behavior. No, I don't know what their behavior. Right now, tricks fall like water. I see them come run it over. I wobbling, but me head on my shoulder. Party time,
She's a bit of
it's over.
one like princess inside. Right.
Oh, we don't have no behavior.
And I look good you.
Then if you can brush out the arm, so it's easier to wait. Therefore, you will answer to wait.
And then you can.
No, you will learn to stand here too. Carry out on and down to you.
Alright, what y'all do next one? You're done doing the eyebrow, one.
You see how long I yard. See, at the top one of you. I will put one different color. No, you should come down. Come down to yourself. Good now? Alright, you put on this one now. Put on back this one now. Come over back. Put the eyebrow pencil now. See it different. Right here.
Mommy.
That's fine. Shade up the whole eye. Yeah, shade from
No thing. No stush vibes, no modeling.
from the eye, from the eye. Yes, sir. Look now. Hey, it's a fire.
Eyebrow.
Looking for the island. The island. The mascara now. From the island. Look at the one behind the thing. I will always put in the one behind.
Yeah, that is the coffee friend.
Party mash up again. Hey, hey, girl them bubbling. Hey, hey, bring all your friend them. Hey, 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 yeah. Party mash up again. Hey, hey, girl them bubbling. Hey, hey, bring all your friend them. Hey, hey, everybody drinking. Hey, hey, who cares what they thinking? Hey, hey, spiff, 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 spiff. Everybody singing. Oh, we don't have no behavior. Total disorder. Don't cross the border. Don't cross the border. Bartender, hurry up with the order. Boy, the whole place get turned over. Can't play massive, you're afraid powder. Everybody know every time we touch them, it's splinters. That's my show. Fine, 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 yo, Holland pull up. Mash it, mash it. Fine, fine, fine. Every man put your hand up, every girl start whining, it's splinters. That's my show. Fine, 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 yo, Holland pull up. Mash it, mash it. Fine, fine, fine. Every man put your hand up, every girl start whining. No, they can't drink like we. None of them can flex like we. They can't have energy like we. Full of stamina, stamina, full of vibes like we. Vibes up from the time that we reach. Drinks up, no the man is released. We having a good time, having a good time. We don't have no time for bad mind. Boy, we don't have no behavior. Total disorder. Don't cross the border. Don't cross the border. Bartender, hurry up with the order. Boy, the whole place get turned over. Can't play massive, you're afraid powder. Everybody know every time we touch them, it's splinters. That's my show. Fine, 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 yo, Holland pull up. Mash it, mash it. Fine, fine, fine. Every man put your hand up, every girl start whining, it's splinters. That's my show. Fine, 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 yo, Holland pull up. Mash it, mash it. Fine, fine, fine. Every man put your hand up, every girl start whining. Dig the scene if I drunk and ting. No stush vibes, no modeling.
No, can't you cut me eye, man? God, that's Jesus is God. None of me.
I do mascara now. So guys, she's using the this have one branch back there. The 2-in-1 mascara, lower lashes and upper lashes. Push Yes, Tom. So she's giving me her makeup look, guys. Whatever makeup style she likes. I'm gonna do another one with a look that I want her to create. Next eye, please. Oh God, next time I'm going to play the hard customer. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Let's look at me, please. No man. Alright, stop now. I'm gonna put them up, please. Move on, where are you? So what do you ask me? Do this what? Then you bite down. Alright, when you do the other side, make sure you bite down funny. Stop now. You might come with me. You look like a bottle.
Why is that? So let me see it. No! Pretty girls alone. Pretty girls alone. You don't look pretty. I like that. Good morning. You like powder?
Yes. Nothing.
You like when you
No,
like when you pretty down.
I want to see your reaction at the end of it.
Come pretty face. You not play when time is done. Come on, Janai, come on. You don't want to know long dinner. I'll be about to go long face.
I just want to
Sasha!
let me with my ear.
Yeah, you know, throw that back. Make the time on. Make the time. Okay? What you thinking? Ready for me to look funny now?
No, really.
Done? Ready for me to look now?
Because they look like Ducky. Hey, because you are.
Hi. What's your name? My name is Chucky and I'm your friend forever. No.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video guys. You can comment in the comment section and tell me how did she do. Alright? Come say bye to the people.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please send